Hello viewers, today for final checkout after cleaning and repairs we have the Qwest or the Vtech or the Vtech 1734 900 MHz digital or digitan spread spectrum cordless telephone with handset speakerphone. I have been seeking after a 900 MHz DSS with handset speakerphone for quite a number of years now, and now that the use case for it has just about disappeared, I found one. So this is the second one I've had of these. The first one I had was branded SBC Global, I think, and it quit after like 2 calls. This one seems to be holding up a lot better. It's in much better condition, a lot less wear on it. Wish I had the belt clip for this, then it really would be perfect. But it's in pretty good condition. So let's begin by calling it up.
Private caller.
Does the bass ringer not work, or is it not on? It's off. Okay, let's try again, and let's see what the volume is on the handset ringer. It's low, that's the problem. We're going to go with number 4. This has got a really good interface on it, especially for such an early phone. It's just so logical and easy to use. It's such a good interface. Alright, let's call it again.
Private caller.
I don't know why that's so staticky, that private caller announcement. Okay, it's on now. Did the auto talk. I noticed that it was saying to press the center button for talk while it was on the bass. Does this let you pick it up while it's on the bass? No, it seemed to. Oh, I guess you can interface with it. Interesting. Okay, so that's another kind of unusual feature about this phone, is that you can interface with it while it's on the bass. Interesting. Okay. Let's make an outside call first to start with. We can hear what the handset speaker sounds like. The antenna is retractable. I wonder where the tones went.
Oh, Farmer Jones, out here in the fields. Hard to believe that we're in the latter half of January now, January 2021. We hope you are all well. The farm and winery are closed for our annual winter break. The winery will reopen our outdoor wine stand for bottle sales in February. Visit our website.
It doesn't go.
Simply Jones.
That's unintuitive. Because that says flash there, not speaker there. Anyways, The volume doesn't go very loud before it distorts, but before it distorts, it sounds quite good. The handset sounds fine.
Looking back on 2020, we thank you for your visits to the farm. We're very happy to report
It's got a pretty good volume range on both the handset and speaker. It still counts while it's on hold. That's pretty neat.
February, of course, strawberry.
It's kind of slow, but
June.
that's to be expected for something of this age. Such a good interface. Oh, this is for the talking caller ID. Okay, so I'm going to redo that. Let's do a different entry. Directory. I guess the name doesn't... Oh, hold on, let's see here. Let's pick it and delete it. Did I not do that correctly? I thought I hit delete. Delete. No data in directory memory. Okay. So how do you add? So how do we add a number? Do we have to dial it first? Or memory? Add. Memory. Nope. Here we go. We gotta enter it first. Okay, so we'll do 555 1 2 3 4. Save. Okay. Now, why didn't it ask me? Oh, there we go. Record the name. A goose. Let's redo that. I didn't do it fast enough. A goose. A goose.
A goose.
That's fantastic. Okay. Exit, so that's saved. So now I'll call. And that recording sounds really clear too. Oh, I didn't. User error. Task.
0555123 4.
Okay, so I guess it's not intelligent enough to detect the fact that the last 7 digits of that entry was the same. Unless did I do it wrong? Five by five. Let's edit this. Maybe we gotta hold on. Queer. Maybe we have to type it in like this.
A goose. A goose.
I wish you said it more than once.
A goose.
It's kind of comical. I think the memory is different than the phone book? No, I guess it's not. Some stinky skunk. Ew.
Zero, 5555123
Okay, do I not know how to type in a telephone number anymore?
Some stinky skunk. Ew.
That's hilarious. And it seems to store quite a few numbers too. I think it's stored up to 20 maybe? 19? It's got at least 19, 20, 25, 30. Okay, location 1 through 20. So it's going to store 25 numbers. I don't really have even 25 people that call me, so that's perfectly adequate. Alright, now let's record some testing messages because I'm curious to see how good the pickup is on the handset.
3 new messages and 6 old messages. Message 1.
Okay. This is testing message. No. Oh, wow. This phone has a nice amount of side tone to it. Okay, I'm exiting the studio now. And I'm roaming across the room. And now I'm over by the water equipment. I suspect it's probably still getting a full reception, but I'll extend the antenna now. Okay, the antenna has been extended. Now I am returning back to, I think I might have just clipped out there for a second. Now I am returning back into the studio area. And I'm going to put it back into the base to hang it up so you can hear what that sounds like.
Message 2.
For comparison purposes, I am currently speaking the same distance from it that I was on talk. Now I'm going to put it down on the table. Now it's sitting on the table about 1.5 feet from where I'm speaking from. I'm going to start moving away from the telephone. Now I'm about 2 feet away from the telephone. Looks like it's still recording, so it's probably still picking up. Now I'm about 3 feet away from the telephone. Looks like it's still recording, so perhaps it's still picking up pretty well. And I'm going to keep moving further and further away. Now I'm about 5 feet away from the telephone, which is probably beyond what would be a reasonable, typical use case. And it's still recording, so I guess the pickup must be pretty good.
Message 3.
Okay, I'm having a leads freak show here. This is the last testing message. This is from the base speakerphone. Now I'm speaking way into the fake microphone on the top. And now I'm speaking about 1 foot away from the telephone. I'll keep moving back. I'm about 2.5 to 3 feet away from the telephone. It's still recording, so I suspect it's picking up clearly as well. Okay, I'm going to hit something here. Now I'm about 4 feet to 5 feet away from the phone. And it's still recording. So it looks like the speakerphones, both of them, are going to work pretty good. The microphone, where's the microphone? This one, it's on the bottom. The microphone is really on the bottom, but for some reason unknown to me, they want you to believe it's on the top.
End of messages.
Wow, that picked up really good. The clarity wasn't the best. It lacked some of the higher frequencies, but it was certainly good enough to understand somebody. And the pickup, it was phenomenal, super sensitive. Those speakerphones didn't miss a single word. Great pickup. So this is great. This is an awesome phone. All in all around, it seems to be really fantastic. The operating system is great. The reception is great. The feature set is great. The clarity is great. I just hope it lasts.